Hi, this is Patrick from JDM Gems. Today we're going to be replacing the battery on a 1991 Honda Acty. We're going to be using a lawn and garden battery with these types of terminals. The issue is you cannot buy the small terminal ends that these cars come with, so we're going to retrofit the ones that came on the car to fit onto here. The tools you're going to need are a 10mm and a flathead. To begin, we're going to be removing these two thumb screws. Okay. Next, just take these two pins, loosen them. Okay. Next, there's just these two 10mm, one on each terminal. Loosen both of them. And they'll pop right off. Alright. So here's the factory battery tray, and here's the O'Reilly's lawn and garden battery, and you can see how perfectly it fits in there. Next, we're going to remove the 10mm nuts from both the terminals and the screw. Okay. Then we are going to pry open these terminals. Both of them. Alright, that way we'll be able to just fit these over like so. Just do it for each one. Alright. Now we're going to be putting the bolt from the back side on each of them. And on this side it's going to have to go in the incorrect way, since you can see the bracket for this is here, but we're going to have to put it from here so we can tighten the 10mm. And then just tighten up the 10mm. Next, we're going to be putting the battery mount back on. Next, we'll be putting the battery cover on. The way it works is there's two tabs that slide into these spots. This one's broken, they're usually both broken. And then you put it above it. Slide the tab in place. Alright, and that's it. So this battery replacement is a great alternative for the $150 battery that has the normal size terminals, because not only do you have to spend 3 times the amount for the battery, but you also have to replace the terminal ends. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next repair.
Do you mean to do that?
No.
Why?
To start, we're just going to be removing these. To start, we're going to be removing these finger screws. I'm not even called finger screws.